Hi everybody! Today we are going to look at how to use Geogebra to construct a virtual manipulative to show the relationship between the m in the equation of a straight line, which indicates the slope, and the b, which indicates the y-intercept. So we will use sliders in order to create this manipulative. So what you want to do is you want to go to the slider. You want to choose a slider, and then you click anywhere on the graphics window, and let's call the first slider M, which indicates the slope, and let's make the slope go from -10 to 10. You can change the minimum and maximum value in this window, and you can change the increments here, and let's apply that. Once you apply that, you will see that the slope will appear over here. And you can move this around, and you can see that now the value m will change from -10 to 10. And that's the interval that you wanted your slope to range from. Let's create another slider. So go back to slider, click on the window, and let's call this B. B will indicate the y-intercept, and let B go from, let's say, -7 to 7, and then let the increment on B be 1. And let's apply that. So now we have two sliders. We have the slope and B, which indicates the y-intercept. And again, B will range from -7 to 7. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create an equation where these two values will correspond to the equation. So go to the input menu and then type in y equal to m times x. Remember to type the asterisk plus b. And now this m will correspond to the m up here, and the b will correspond to the b up there. Press enter, and there is your straight line. This is a straight line with slope -0.4 and y-intercept -2. Now if I would slide this, you will see how the equation, how the graph would change if you change the y-intercept. So if you change the value of b, that's going to change the value on the y-intercept. The same with the slope. So if my slope would become -10, that's how it's going to look. A slope of 0 we know is a horizontal line, and then this indicates a positive slope. So this will indicate how the slope will change, or how the graph will change if you change the slope. Okay, so then let's add a title to this. Go to text. If you click on text, it will actually bring up some text here. Now what we want to do is we want to type in y equal to, and we want, again, if we change our slope, we do not want static text, so we will click on the m, y equals to m x plus, and then b. So now it will not be static text that will indicate y equal to mx plus b. It will actually represent the values that the sliders are at. So if you would change the m here, the text will change. So you can see how that value changes in the equation, and the same for b. If you would change the value of b, it will change the y-intercept on the graph, and also in the text it will give you an output of the linear equation. Okay, so what I want you to do is to pick an equation, maybe of a circle or an ellipse or any other function or relation, and show me an interactive graph that explains one of the parameters in the equation. And that's it for presentation 2. So thank you very much.